Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up to be a Bubble Ambassador. First, you will need to understand the program's benefits and requirements. Then, navigate to the official Bubble Ambassador application page. Next, prepare your personal and professional details for submission. Finally, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria before applying. This process typically takes about 15 to 20 minutes to complete the initial form, setting you on the path to joining a vibrant community. To qualify as a Bubble Ambassador, you must be at least 18 years old. It's crucial to demonstrate a strong passion for the Bubble platform, showcasing your enthusiasm for no-code development. You should also possess an active social media presence or significant community involvement, reaching at least 500 followers. Furthermore, a willingness to create engaging content regularly, perhaps 2 to 3 pieces per month, is essential for this role. When submitting your application, ensure you complete the online form accurately, providing all requested information. It's important to provide examples of your Bubble projects or content, perhaps 2 to 3 strong examples to showcase your skills. Share links to your relevant social media profiles, especially those with over 500 followers, to demonstrate your reach. Finally, write a compelling statement of interest, explaining why you would be an excellent fit for the Ambassador program. After submitting your application, you should expect an email confirmation within 24 hours. The Bubble team typically reviews all applications within 2 to 4 weeks. If your application is successful, you will receive an invitation for an interview, which usually lasts about 30 minutes. If not selected, you may reapply after a period of 6 months, giving you time to further develop your skills and presence. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.